So this is the architecture for data virtualization SQL Server 2022. So starting from top to bottom, we are, as you can see, embedding into the SQL Server engine all the three major data virtualization comments. We have the open role set, we have the create external table, and we have seats as the create external table as a select, all baked into the engine. You no longer need to install anything else to leverage this. You can use in every single SQL Server 2022 version out there. Right below that, we are also embedding into the engine our new connector framework. You can see the gray box there, the HTTPS REST API box. This is our new REST API-based framework. And with that framework, we can natively access any Azure storage, that being said, Data Lake Chain 2 or Azure Blob Storage, or we can access any S3 compliant object storage. In this picture, we have HyperStore. And when I say S3 compliant object storage, and sometimes you're going to see me saying S3 compliant object storage, sometimes you're going to see me just saying object storage, it means that object storage has different frameworks of implementation, but the most common one, it is the S3 compliant. So every single solution out there that is compliant with S3 REST APIs will be compatible with SQL Server. Either that be on-prem, hybrid, or in the cloud, it will be compatible with SQL Server 2022. And moving one step down, we have Parquet, Delta, CSV, and text, which are the file formats that we currently support in SQL Server. And but that means we have on this right side, the HTTPS REST API framework. It is new to SQL Server 2022, but doesn't mean we are kind of discontinue our previous architecture. No, we are shipping both with SQL Server. So let's say you need access to any one of those data sources, other databases, for example, Teradata, SQL, MongoDB, SAP HANA, Oracle, or any other data source that relies on ODBC, we still have that on SQL Server 2022 through Poly-based services. So we're shipping both, so you can leverage both of them based on your business needs.